Welcome back again. In this video I'm going to explain how to create something like that, like a custom widget like this. So we have already studied the material app, scaffold, center, card, container, row, expanded, all of those, and also how to we can add like a set asset image here. So at the end we will create something like this. So we'll start directly with that. So it's like just a review to all the widgets that we have explained before, or most of the widgets that we have explained. So first thing, we have already material app, we have a scaffold, we have center, we have already explained that. So now we have all of those. Now we can add just a card. So here I can just add card. In the card I only add a card just to add like elevation, like a little bit like shadow or something like that. So elevation I can add 8 for example, only like this. We have a child inside the card, so inside it we will make a container. So all of this will be a container, so we can add like some height and width. So here I can add a color, and the color will be colors dot white for example. I can add some margin because here we have some margin, so I can add some margin here as well. So I can say from a set edge set dot all for example, and I can add like 6 here. Also we can add high for example, um like 130, I don't know. The width maybe 400 or something. We can just run to see what the result. So now as we can see we have a container. The container is like white, so we cannot see the color. So you can add a background color for the screen, for the scaffold. We already have it, so I can make it like a gray. Now it's more clear. We have here the card and elevation, so you can see here like a little bit shadow. So this is the elevation, and we have a little bit here the margin. Maybe I can make it 10, and you can see it will become a little bit better now. Hide and width. So now inside the container what we have row. Why we have row? Because I need to add it like this. So we have here icon, and here text, and another text, and here another icon. So here we have row. So because we have children, multiple child or multiple widgets here, the icon and the text and this here. So here we need like expanded just to add specific space for that. So this one for example here, and this one here, and this one here. So horizontally, so we need to add the row. So here the child of the container, which is row here, and the row we have children in the row. So what we have in the row, first thing we have icon. So I can use expanded just to add spaces, just to add each one in the position and take all the place. So here I can just use expanded child here. So first thing we have icon, and inside it icons dot image. That's it. We have size also, maybe like 50. Finish. So now if we just run again, we can see the image here because I have only one thing. Now I will add another expanded. This expanded for the text in the middle here. So here we have, you can see this text and this text. So it's vertically. So here we need also children because this a widget and this a widget here. So I need children. So we need row or column here, of course column because vertically. So this one and this one below. So here we need a column. So now inside expanded we need column, and column also has a children, and we have only two text. So the first text I can add title for example here, and I can add just sized box to add a little bit space here, and the height maybe 10, and here add text. So this is like a description or something like that, only like this. Now you can see it's here in this way. I can make it at the center, so I can say here main axis center. So now it should be at the center. Perfect, here in the center. Now at the end I need to add this, so we need another expanded, same thing actually, another one. Just copy this, the first one, and add it after the last one. So last one here, expanded, add comma, another expanded and another icon, and now it will become like forward something. Maybe I can make it like this, no problem. Now as you can see, now it is here. Now I can just add some space. Just see here, the first one I need just to take 20%. So here if I say just 2, which means 20%, the first one. The second one, the column here, I need to take 60%. So I can just say, sorry, in the expanded, so I can just say flex 6, because the total should be 10. So here 2 and here 6, now 8. And the last icon flex also 2, so now it's 10. So now it will become better, as you can see, in this way. Now it's perfect, exactly, almost like this. I can change that, of course, not forward, maybe, I don't know what's the name here, a row, I think, yes, a row. So it become like this. Also I can add a picture like this. So here I can add a picture instead of the icon. So the first thing we need just to create here, like we have explained how to add an asset picture. So I need to add here directly called images, for example. Inside it I need to add any picture, so I can just go to my picture here and add any picture, for example this one. Just copy the picture and then paste the picture here inside images. So just paste it. I can name it img.jpg. Now it's here. So now we need to go also to the pubspec.yaml. In the pubspec.yaml, below the flutter here, we need just 2 spaces to add assets, and here also 2 spaces to add images. And then we can just add like a star, which means everything inside images. So whatever we have inside images, I need to include it here. So that's it. We can just say pub get here to add this. Now perfect, finish. Now instead of this picture here, this icon, I need to add circular avatar. So circular avatar, just like a circular image, and we have background image here. I can add asset image here, and inside it just the path images, and then img.jpg. So sometimes doesn't work in this way. I don't know actually the problem. I can fix it later, but now you can just add img.jpg. So add the same image name and just add it like this, and then run again. Now here I have the picture. In the circular avatar I have something called radius, so here I can add the like a size of the picture, the circular picture, so I can make it like 200. So now perfect, everything is working like expected. So now simply we created like a custom widget exactly like this one here. So I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.